Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD High Country. It comes equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as tow mirrors, premium leather heated and ventilated seats, long box of spray in red liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with tons of extra paneling and storage at the bottom here, right next to our Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with your seat memory and the wooden chrome accents. You're also going to have these chrome running boards here as well, the high country badging, of course, onto the seats, power adjustable, heated and ventilated with your high country stitch. Left side you'll have your 2- and 4-wheel drive as well as your lighting controls, and of course your LED light bar control. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have a cruise control as well as your forward collision alert and your heated steering wheel. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your economy, your range, as well as your adaptive cruise here, driver assistance, transmission fluid, your pitch and roll, as well as your music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have the classic column truck shifter with an integrated brake controller, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger, with lane departure warning, park assist, and as well as your hill descent control. The dual zone climate control, and here onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation and Wi-Fi hotspot. Also with a 360-degree camera, as well as your front, rear, and your trailer hitch camera with hitch guidance, and as well as Amazon Alexa. Down below, you're going to have a wireless charging pad with lots of extra storage, and the center console with more storage and 2 USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. You're going to have the black high country stitch. It's going to go across with the double glove box. Both speakers up top. You're going to have the regular and then the camera view. And here you can access your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your powered sunroof. You're going to have these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Destination Firestone tires, your high country badging, the big tow mirrors, and then the chrome keyless entry door handle, side step in the back. With the long box, you're also going to have the gooseneck and 5th wheel package with your high country badging, trailer hitch, your 5th wheel with your tube shocks. Come to the back with the easy lift gate. So with the long box, you're obviously going to have the spray and liner with 12 bed tie downs, and as well as your hitch here, the high country, 2 LED lamps, and as well as an AC wall charger. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, they're going to have storage again on the bottom, right next to the speakers. That'll come up here to the wooden chrome with the powered Bose. Hop into the back seat, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver seat, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, and as well as ventilation with 2 extra USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest, storage behind the seats as well, and storage under, lamps up top, handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD High Country. It comes equipped with the 6.6 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, powered sunroof, long box with tow mirrors, off-road suspension with tube shocks, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.